Mia and I were laughing so hard our voices echoed in the empty hallway. We were in the old part of our school during lunchtime. Nobody came here much. It was our secret place to have fun. We were making jokes about our math teacher. Mia was walking like him and talking in a funny voice.
Today we will learn about numbers,
Mia said, copying our teacher. She made her voice very deep and serious. I laughed so hard. I pushed Mia playfully on the shoulder. We were being silly. Stop it, I said, but I was still giggling. Mia pushed me back, but she pushed harder than she meant to. I stumbled backward. I lost my balance. I fell back against the old wooden wall. Hard. Crack. The sound was loud and scary. We both stopped laughing immediately. I heard something break behind me. I turned around quickly. The wooden wall was cracked. There was a hole in it. I walked closer to the wall. I looked through the hole. Something dark was behind it. There's a door back there, I said. There was a secret door behind the wall. The wooden boards were old and broken. We could see the door clearly now.
Should we open it?
Mia asked. I was scared, but also very curious. Who makes a secret door in a school? What was behind it? Why was it hidden? Yes, I said, but we need to break more wood first. We pulled the broken pieces away. The wood was very old. It came off easily. Soon we could see the whole door. It was made of dark wood. There was no handle, just a small hole where a key should go. I pushed the door. It didn't move. Mia helped me push. The door made a loud sound. It opened slowly. Cold, dusty air rushed out. It was too dark to see.
We need a light,
Mia said. I took out my phone. I turned on the flashlight. What I saw made me feel cold all over. There were spider webs everywhere. Big, thick spider webs hung from the ceiling. They covered the walls. They covered everything in the room.
This is scary,
Mia said. She was standing behind me. I walked into the room slowly. My phone light showed me more things. There was an old desk. There were old chairs. Books were on shelves. Everything was covered with dust and spider webs. Then I saw the pictures. There were many pictures on the walls. All the pictures showed students, young people in school uniforms. They were smiling. They looked happy. But that was not the strange part. In every picture, there was the same man. He was standing next to the students. He was smiling too. But in some pictures, he looked young. In other pictures, he looked older. Look at this, I said to Mia. Mia came closer. She looked at the pictures with me.
It's the same person in every picture,
she said.
But he looks different.
We walked around the room. There were so many pictures. All of them had students. All of them had the same man. He was always smiling. He always looked happy with the students. I think this was his office, I said.
Whose office?
Mia asked. This man. I think he was a teacher here. Look at all these pictures. He kept photos of all his students. The room felt less scary now. It felt sad. Someone had loved this place very much. Someone had kept all these memories here. I picked up one of the pictures. "Let's take this picture," I said. "Maybe someone knows who he is." We left the secret room. We put the wooden boards back over the door. We didn't want other people to find it yet. That evening, I showed the picture to my mother. "Mom, do you know this man?" I asked. My mother looked at the picture. Her eyes got big.
"Oh my goodness,"
She said.
"that is Mr. Thompson."
"Who is Mr. Thompson?" I asked.
He was my teacher when I was in school. He was the best teacher I ever had. He was so kind. He made learning fun. Everyone loved him.
My mother looked at the picture again. Her eyes had tears in them.
I had such good memories of him. He helped me so much when I was young. He believed in me when no one else did.
"Where is he now?" I asked.
"I don't know.
My mother said.
That was many years ago. He must be very old now."
The next day, Mia and I decided to find Mr. Thompson. We asked Mia's parents about him too. They knew him as well. They said the same things as my mother. He was a wonderful teacher. We went to the school office. We asked the secretary about Mr. Thompson. She didn't know him. We asked some older teachers. They didn't know him either. Finally, we found the old principal. He was retired now, but he still came to the school sometimes.
"Mr. Thompson?"
He said.
"Oh, yes, I remember him well. He was here for many years. A very good teacher."
"Where is he now?" I asked. The old principal thought for a moment.
"Last I heard, he was living in Golden Nursing Home, but that was years ago. I don't know if he is still there."
Mia and I looked at each other. We had to find out. That Saturday, we went to Golden Nursing Home. The nursing home was a big building. It looked clean but sad. We went to the front desk. "We are looking for Mr. Thompson," I said. The nurse looked surprised.
"But he never gets visitors. Are you his family?"
Yes.
Mia lied. The nurse looked confused. She pointed outside.
"He is probably in the garden. He sits on the bench there every day."
We walked to the garden. There were flowers and trees everywhere. It was beautiful, but it felt lonely too. Then we saw him. An old man was sitting alone on a wooden bench. He was looking around at the empty garden. His face looked so sad. His shoulders were bent down. He looked like he was waiting for someone who would never come. My heart felt heavy. This was Mr. Thompson, the same man who was laughing in all those pictures. Now he looked so lonely and forgotten.
Look at him.
Mia whispered.
He looks so sad.
I watched Mr. Thompson. He was feeding some birds with bread from his pocket. The birds came close to him. They were his only friends. "I got an idea," I whispered. We went home. We told our parents everything. We showed them the pictures from the secret room. Our parents were so surprised and happy to see Mr. Thompson in the photos. We asked them to help us find more of Mr. Thompson's students. Our parents called their old friends. They showed the pictures to everyone. Soon we had a list of 20 people who remembered Mr. Thompson. Everyone wanted to see him again. We planned a surprise visit. We told everyone to come to the nursing home on Saturday afternoon. When Saturday came, I was so excited and nervous. 20 adults came to the nursing home with us. They brought flowers, homemade cookies, and photo albums. Some brought their own children too. We all walked into the garden together. Mr. Thompson was sitting on his usual bench. He was alone as always. When he saw so many people walking toward him, he looked confused.
I think you have the wrong person,
He said. He started to stand up.
I don't know any of you.
Mr. Thompson,
My mother said. She stepped forward.
we are your students.
Mr. Thompson looked at all the faces around him. He shook his head.
I don't understand.
He said. I took out one of the pictures from the secret room. It showed Mr. Thompson with a group of students. My mother was in the picture. She was much younger. We found your office, I said. We found all your pictures. Mr. Thompson took the picture with shaking hands. He looked at it for a long time. Then he looked at my mother. Then at the picture again. Suddenly, his eyes filled with tears. His whole body started shaking.
Sarah?
He whispered.
Little Sarah from my 3rd grade class?
My mother was crying too.
Yes, Mr. Thompson, it's me.
Mr. Thompson looked around at all the people. Now he could see them differently. He could see the children they used to be.
Michael? Is that you, Michael?
He said to Mia's father.
Yes, Mr. Thompson. You taught me to love reading.
One by one, Mr. Thompson recognized his old students. He was crying and laughing at the same time. He could not believe. They had all come to see him. More people came the next week, and more the week after that. Soon, Mr. Thompson had visitors every day. His old students brought their children too. They told stories about the good teacher. They laughed together. They brought him presents from outside. The nursing home staff was amazed. Mr. Thompson had been one of their loneliest residents. Now he was the happiest person there. On Christmas Day, we had a big party for Mr. Thompson. 30 of his old students came. They brought their families too. The nursing home let us use their big dining room. Mr. Thompson sat at the head of a long table. He was surrounded by people who loved him, young children and old adults, all of them connected by one special teacher. Mr. Thompson was not alone anymore. He had 100 children who loved him. And it all started with a crack in an old wooden wall. Do you think kindness always comes back, just like it did for Mr. Thompson? Like and subscribe to learn English and enjoy more amazing stories.